Good morning, students. We are going to continue with the short story Upper Division Love by Manohar Malgaonkar. Now, we had studied that the protagonist is infatuated with the film star Sundar Bala, and he went to a stationery shop where Sundar Bala also came. Now, we'll study further. Then she came in, walking in a field of perfume and dressed as only Indian film stars know how to, a bird of paradise in peacock's plumes. She came straight up to me, yes, me, and asked, "Have you any gold plated fountain pens with jewel encrusted tops?" Before I could recover my power of speech, the shop assistant came forward, dry washing his hands, and whisked her off to another counter where presumably they kept jeweled fountain pens. And when I tried to follow, one of the long haired escorts quietly barred my way. But my luck was in. On the counter before me lay the pairs of amber glare glasses in its jeweled frame, which she had deposited there a moment ago. I picked it up, ducked nimbly between the escorts, and went up to her. "Excuse me," I said. "Your glasses. You forgot them." "Oh, thank you," she said, and her eyebrows arched, her nose crinkled, her eyes lit up, and her teeth flashed. For a moment, the famous smile was turned in just for me. Then it was turned off abruptly, as though it were all controlled by a switch. The store was filling up with passers-by from the street, all craning their necks and pointing their fingers and pressing forward, and again I was pushed back from my position of vantage by one of the escorts. Out in the street, people were saying it to one another. "Sundar Bala is shopping, there is Sundar Bala." That smile was a heady thing, like multiple effects in a pinball machine when you hit the ball right. It kept me awake for a long time that night. I knew I had no business to fall in love with the film star. A lower division clerk should have no upper division aspirations. All the same, I was in love. It was that smile. Students, we have the description in the shop where the protagonist had gone and the film actress Sundar Bala had come, and she did not talk to him, but there was a moment when he looked at her and she smiled, and that smile, it just was so mesmerizing and so enchanting that the protagonist was completely smitten by her. And but then he also realizes that he is a simple clerk, and a lower division clerk should not have any upper division aspiration. These are very, very interesting lines and very important lines also, because they underline the basis of the story. The title of the story is Upper Division Love. So the writer wants to hint at the fact that love between an ordinary person and a film star is maybe it is not possible. So the protagonist, the chief character, has also realized that it is futile on his part to fall in love with the film star, as she is a very popular personality, whereas he is a simple lower division clerk. So that whole feeling is described very beautifully, and the way the description is done about the actress Sundar Bala, that she looks so beautiful, and her sense of fashion and her dressing that has been described is quite impressive, and the fact that when she came there was the scent of perfume all over, and what was the aura around her, that has been also described very beautifully, and the fascination of common people about the film stars, the way they just mob the place where the film stars come, that fascination and that whole atmosphere has also been very beautifully depicted. And in this way we get an idea about the whole setting of the story and the emotions of the protagonist, but somewhere in his heart, right from the beginning of this we cannot call it a relationship, but the protagonist, he knows in his heart of hearts that it is Sundar Bala is just a dream, and she is a big star, whereas he is a lower division clerk. So we'll continue with the story further in tomorrow's class. That is all for today. Thanks.